One of our satisfied customers just posted a great review about us, and we wanted to share their fantastic feedback with you. We just love telling everyone about it because our goal is to give each customer a 5-star experience. In short, it's always been our prime objective to make our customers happy. So when they write feedback like this and specifically mention the great customer service they received, it makes us feel like we're meeting that objective. We want you to experience the best customer service possible, and at the same time, we would like to earn a 5-star review from you. Call us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.